Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2007 Pontiac Grand Prix. Stock number is 18M345A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have Goodyear Integrity tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a spoiler on the back, adding a nice sporty touch. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise and audio controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Pontiac on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.